Definitely a dreamer. I'm a dreamer. I have so many things I want to do. I have so many things, so definitely I'm a dreamer anytime. Ooh, interesting, discovering, and exciting. Alors, I hope I said that well. Definitely dancing. I like to lose some weight. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Paris, because it complements the busy lifestyle of Lagos, and I get the chance to also relax in an organized atmosphere. It's definitely comedy. I like to talk. Normally I would go for teaching, but let me go with learning. It's much more humble. Definitely by car. From Lagos, we don't walk and we don't bike. A compass, at least I know where I'm going. Definitely ego. I'm an ambitious person. Definitely a dreamer. I'm a dreamer. I have so many things I want to do. I have so many things, so definitely I'm a dreamer anytime. Exciting. Very exciting.